Hello everyone, you might be wondering why I'm wearing this. Today I'm going to show you how easy it is to take off the hair system, clean it, put another one back on, and it would take me less than 10 minutes. Let's start. So what we're doing now, taking the tape off of the hair system, use some spray. There you go. And after that, soak this hair system and the lace release for a couple of hours, and then it's clean. Hello everyone, as you saw, it wasn't that hard. I did it in less than 5-6 minutes, took off my other hair system, soak it on the lace release for a couple of hours, save the other one, put it back on. It wasn't that hard at all. I normally leave it a couple of hours before I wash it, but you can't wash it straight away. I normally leave it a couple of hours to let it settle, but you could wash it straight away. If you have any more questions, leave me a comment or send me an email or ask Phil, the hairman. Have a lovely day. Speak soon.